Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Quen here. So today we are planning for the week of Monday the 8th through Sunday the 14th, which was the week of my son's birthday. So I'm using this kit by PURDEE Planner. It was the Animal Crossing kit, 2 pages, and I purchased the bottom washi separately. So I'm going to go ahead and put down my bottom washi and everything, and I'll probably play some music over this. Well, no, it's not. It's going to be really fast, so I'm not going to play any music. I guess I can kind of just talk about the week. His birthday was on the 9th, so we did like a little bit of a celebration on the 9th. And also it was my friend's birthday as well. So we also went to the spa that Saturday, so that was really fun. I made my own deco for this kit with my Cricut, so I'm so happy I have the Cricut because sometimes I'm like, what am I gonna do? So thankfully I had that. So I'm just putting down my little quote box that says Animal Crossing now. The box from the kit and the November script is from the Happy Planner. I didn't really notate anything in my sidebar. I just needed to fill it up. And this was just a really fun week to plan out. So I just put all of the boxes straight, and then she had these kiss cut headers, so I placed those down as well. And for this kit, there weren't really many boxes. I think I could have purchased some more separately, but I didn't really want to waste any more time. I just really wanted to get this week done. So I'll be using boxes from the Happy Planner for this week as well. So I'm pulling in my Papershire vanilla sticker, and she's making coffee with lots of caramel, and that's normally what I do, put like lots of caramel in my coffee. And I'm marking Coffee Monday with a script from JK Creates Co. Pulling in some Christmas trees from Capital Chick Designs. It's just a sticker book that I have, and I'm trying to push the sticker down because it is like a thicker paper that it's on. And I'm just marking that we went ahead and put the Christmas tree up this day. And I'm putting in some more headers, but these are actually grid washi scripts, and I just cut them down to size to fit. And they were like the perfect color, so I went ahead and did that. And I also had those overlays, the glitter overlays. Those were from Nicole Alexia Designs, and they were just sitting in my sticker album, and I never knew when I would use it, so we will use it now. And it's just this blue foil, and I thought that went perfect, just add a little bit of foil into the kit. Okay, so moving back to Monday, I wanted to mark that we went on a date, and we actually went and got tacos this day, which are the beef tacos, and those are really the only ones that I eat. So we did that, and then I also received some Happy Mail from Sadie Stickers, pulling in the character from the Coffee Monsters Co., and the little sticky note is from Planner Girl Printables. And as well as the balloons here on Tuesday, I'm just marking here happy birthday with a script from Letters to Apollo, and the cake is from a leftover from Maisie McCrazy. And here I'm marking that I went to the mall, and I'm using a bag from the Coffee Monsters Co., and the little blue heart is from the Capital Chick Designs book to mark that I went to the mall. And I actually went to this store. I call it the cute store. It has like bears and keychains and just like a lot of cute stuff. So I went there. I picked up a few things. Later that day, I FaceTime with my friend, and I also filmed pulling in some little bow danglers from Shine Sticker Studio, and a squishy from Recollections to mark that we had like a mini party for my son. We just had some cake and ice cream, and we sing happy birthday to him at home this day. On Wednesday, I'm marking that I did some cleaning, and the little bucket there is from Planner Girl Printables. The car icon is from a leftover from Maisie McCrazy. Thankfully, I had these blue leftovers in my little reusable sticker book. So I'm just marking that I picked up the kids early this day. And later that day, I painted my nails, and I'm using this printable Mani and Petty sticker from Paper Shire. And I just needed a list because I marked that we went to urgent care. I did my Plan With Me for the 24th to the 31st. I cut my cat's nails, and I also increased my water intake this day. On Thursday, it was Veterans Day, so I'm marking Happy Veterans Day with a script from Letters to Apollo. And I just pulled in the stars from the Capital Chick Designs. And then I marked that I had toasted coconut with caramel. It was some tea that I picked up, and I just put in my vanilla sticker drinking the tea. We also had takeout this day, and the girl is from Planner Girl Printables, and we also grilled for Veterans Day. On Friday, I marked that I dropped off the kids after them being out of school for that day. I was happy to drop them off because they were ready to go back, and I was ready for them to go back. I also marked later on that I had a chai latte, and the latte script that I pulled in is from Idaho Paper Co. I also marked a little shopping day. I went to Joann's and Michael's, and I picked up the kids early again this day, and it was payday. On Saturday, I'm marking Happy Birthday with some balloons, both from the Happy Planner. And I am going to be using the besties icon from Paper Shire. Most of the icons are from Paper Shire. And also the vanilla one, getting a facial to mark our spa day, and a checklist. And what I wanted to mark there was I did the Swedish massage, we got in the sauna, we went to the pool, bar, and grill, and we got in the jacuzzi this day. And you see me pull in some of the deco that I printed out. I switched cameras, and I noticed that when I zoom in, it gets blurry, but it'll get better in a minute. So I did pull in the tree as well, and I'm actually going to use that kind of as a box. So I'm pulling in the planner from Maisie McCrazy to mark a Plan With Me that I had. The Plan With Me script is from Meg B Makes, and the Spa Day script is also from Meg B Makes. Here I'm changing this to mark that I received Happy Meal again, because I didn't want to kind of have birthday at the top and then also basically celebrating her birthday at the bottom. I don't know, weird. So on Sunday, I just marked that we slept in. I took my medication because I had a migraine as well. So here is what the spread looks like. I hope you all enjoyed it. Really quick Plan With Me. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.